Beskangni November talne Chini Shalmariwo, Tipra Motha by Irinjaka, Kotor Lukotum Panda, Agotola Astobot Tunkolawo, Bishani Yagulo, Tipra Motha Haina Hai, Agotola Dolit Kulirwe, Fan Pununai, Bubagrani Fan, Bubagrani Mukang Tungsaunai, Abonoruk Shawino, Grung Tayo, Grung Amsayo, Klajago Tungo Tipra Mothani Bukakti, by Grelli. Tuantinani Kishnapur Block Committee Lua Jumung by Bohino, Lahar Kulirwe, by Grelli Klajaka, Nainevidi, Filmangluo.
Friends, and I would like to thank our Bubagra, and today we have gathered here for initiating our bike rally in connection with on 12th November 2022 and mega mass gathering at Agartala. So we all together from TWF, YTF, TIPRA, Motha, TEF, we are ready for mass gathering. So I would like to request all the participants, all the warriors from our constituency, that is Krishnapur constituency, to go and participate on 12th November 2022 so that we can achieve our goal, that is greater TIPRA. So once again I would like to thank our supporters, our warriors, and here the district president, honorable district president Ranjit Kumar Debbar are also present here, and the central vice president YTF, honorable Dilip Munda also present here, and our TF advisor honorable Adisharun Jamatia, and block president Mahendra Debbarma, and YTF block president Sopan Debbarma, working president Ashok Debbarma, and my whole entire YTF district team. Thank you once again, each and everyone, to come and join us. Just after a few minutes, we are going to start our rally, and our EM also just on the way. He will be joining us. I mean our bike rally program. So we are waiting for him also. And thank you, my dear friends, and thank you, Bubagra, once again. Bubagra long live, TIPRA Motha long live, YTF long live, TWF long.
Tengkini Telamura political district by Sabol Mark Gravona je Master Ling Mani tin Bubagra ni bagi Mumbai. Tengkin district by ring meeting haika angai 6 tariko meeting man parna tung janja constituency wo teng 7 tariko no 29 Krishnapur assembly meeting asupaikha all YTF, all TWF, all TIPRA Motha, all constituency ni bisingo je tongnai jotono central tai district je tongnai ro jotono sung asobe control naman pore sung tini ainai 12 tarik asabol mas grawono je mass gathering unai kini target ara TIPRA wo 1 lakh borok unai o 1 lakh borok no successful khanya ni bagai bisi wo sung tabu bagre le khanya thang tango kino jaga phaimanja phajak kini political district Telamurani Boromgonang Sa Ranjit Kumar Debroma anya hakinaro district ni YTF ni district phaimanja phajak Boromgonang personal jamatia anya hakino jaga phaimanja phajak tango TEF ni advisor committee adi sasan jamatia sakino jaga tumakin youth ni kini Boromgonang Sa Debroma sakini Krishnapur ni phaimanja phajak tango kinaro Boromgonang working president Ashok Debroma sai am haika jota bisini no kini chairman je kini assembly ni bisingo khobjak YTF, TWF samusuna bisingto nya phandi tongo tai o assembly wa je khobjak central ungsun district ung jokhon sung mile control nawnya tini thak bai thangni rang banya sung jesek mansak thok dalai gari gora nalai tini am haike je bisi wa habai tin o jaga assembly nan daro 11 ta bisi tongo 11 ta ni karono general 3 ta tongo general badeno jesek abar khaimansak tini khainai ama haikena chini assembly ne andaro 29 Krishnapur ne andaro sung je 12 tarik bahike thanai bodike thanai abo samanyaglon tini protik bisi wo je koitawa nongkhore sung kabar khainai bama haike chini gathering khainai abo sung jotona awaimong awareness khanya thang tongo enka chini Krishnapur ni hoje 29 Krishnapur ni hoje jotona ring phone chalao phone jotona khatrang lajak khapulajak jotono 12 tarik mas gathering mo thama bagai ing abono kanya chin 29 Krishnapur ni hoje sung ready tongo সারা ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য যে তিন ত্রিপুরা সার লোক সঙ্গে বড় যত্ন जों हायखानो ताबो बिसिओ कामी थांगे एवारनेस फैलाय दङ आमसो सावैनो जों ताबो सिनो जगा फाइमनजो फैचिनि तेलामुरा पॉलिटिकल डिस्ट्रिक्ट ब्रंगबना सारनजो देबमा दिन खुकेबो जों हानि हाय तेकिसा कखना लायखा
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oi, come on.